Did you know that you can find gifts on Amazon just by shopping the gift shop? There's an Amazon gift shop. There's a link in the description that will take you to this landing page. You can actually shop by recipient. You can shop by occasion, like graduation, housewarming. You can shop by interest, gift recommendations, etc. And so there's a lot of different options here that helps you narrow down gift ideas for someone that you're shopping for. I mean, if you go to Amazon, basically there's everything, and it's up to your brain to think up what would be a good baby shower gift. But this is an awesome spot to actually shop by these different occasions. So let's say, for instance, I wanted to shop for a baby shower. Well, I could click on this little baby shower gift shop, and I can find a bunch of items here that make sense for baby showers. And more than likely, Amazon actually has baby registries and stuff, so they know what items get put on registries, and a lot of that stuff is going to show up here in this baby shower gift shop. And so you can search for deals. You can click on this deals tab. You can also narrow down the price. So that's probably a big one for you. Maybe you want to find something between $20 and $35 or something like that, and you want to click on that and then show results of things that are only between $20 and $35. Maybe we don't care about the deals tab. We just want between 20 and 35, and you're going to find all these items that are between that range. And so you can quickly narrow down different items for baby shower, or a baby shower in this case, between $20 and $35. That's awesome. So if we go back to the gift shop landing page, we can even do like for him or for her, right? We can click on for her, and then we can go to the same thing. We can say, okay, it's for her. I want something between $45 and $70. I'm going to click on that, show those results, and then find a lot of different products here that I can just quickly shop here on Amazon for her. Visa gift cards that have certain, or Victoria's Secret gift cards, right, that have certain illustrations on them that make sense for them to be for her. There's jewelry, there's, all kinds of stuff here in this sort of Amazon gift list. So you can go to the gift shop and kind of, narrow down your items that you want to shop for by interest, etc. So it's a pretty awesome place to really shop for gifts here on Amazon when you don't really know what to look for. Now, if you didn't use the link in the description that takes you right to this page, to get here, you can go to this tab up here at the top and drop it down, and then scroll down to the bottom. There's programs and features. We click see all, scroll down some more, gifting and registry. Click on this, and then we'll find, I believe this tab here is find a gift. When we click on that, that should take you to the gift shop. So the gift shop on Amazon is available through those drop downs if you want, or just click the link in the description. It's an affiliate link, no extra cost to you, helps support this channel. So if I brought you any value, hopefully you'd consider clicking that and then purchasing whatever gift for whatever occasion you find here on the gift shop on Amazon. And that's how you can find gifts on Amazon.